Let's calculate the gravitational acceleration for an object at a height h. What will happen to the value of gravitational acceleration when the object is at a height h? Let's consider this as Earth. From the center to the circumference, that is the radius of the Earth, is written by capital R. And the object is at a height above the surface. And that distance, that's the distance of the object from the surface, is written as small h. The mass of the object is written as m, and the mass of the Earth is written as capital M. So capital R is the radius of the Earth, small m is the mass of the object, capital M is the mass of the Earth, h is the distance of the object from the surface. For an object at the height h, the force acting on it can be written as F is equal to mass into acceleration. We also know that force is equal to G capital M small m by R square. G is the gravitational constant, mass of the Earth, mass of the object, and the distance of the object from the center. Here we are considering the object at a height h. Hence, we have to replace this small r by capital R and small h. Capital R means the radius of the Earth and h the height of the object from the surface. So this becomes the distance of the object from the center of the Earth. Hence, force is equal to capital G, capital M, small m upon r plus h the whole square. From equation 1 and 2, we can write MA is equal to Gm small m upon r plus h the whole square. We are able to cancel the small m as it is present on the left hand side and right hand side. A is equal to G capital M upon r plus h the whole square. We are considering the acceleration due to gravity. Hence, A can be replaced by small g. And here the small g is considered for an object at a height h. Hence, gh is written and the formula becomes gs is equal to capital G capital M upon r plus h the whole square. Let's consider the gravitational acceleration at the surface. For an object, the gravitational acceleration at the surface can be represented by gs, gravitational acceleration at the surface. Here, in this formula, you can see capital G capital M by r square. Here the object is at the surface. So, its distance is written as capital R as the radius of the Earth. So, an object at a height is always less than the object gravitational acceleration at the surface. So, gh by gs is equal to gm upon r plus h the whole square upon gm by r square. We will be able to cancel this gm by gm upon gm as both are coming in the numerator. We can write, hence the equation will become 1 upon r plus h the whole square upon 1 upon r square. We can write it as gh upon gs is equal to r square upon r plus h the whole square. So, gh is equal to r square upon r plus h square into gs.